Hello guys, let's solve this problem. Guys, I read the question. Determine the perimeter of the shaded region. Guys, we have this circle with a shaded part and we are now determining the perimeter of that. So guys, before we start, I would like to thank you for your subscription. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. And so guys, now we come and now solve this question. So guys, we have the question here, the drawing, whereby guys, I will now first of all find the X here and Y here. And for that, I have drawn a triangle right here. And now is to decide first this angle. Given that this angle is 26, then if you subtract 90 from 90, guys, this angle here is the same as this. And this now comes to 63.4, approximately 63.4 degrees, approximately. And therefore, guys, now we come and find our x. Our x is cos 63.4 equals to adjacent, which is x, all over hypotenuse, which is supposed to be 2. Guys, as you know, this is the radius here. From this point to this point is the radius, which is equals to this 2 right here. And so guys, we now come and find our x. Guys, now multiplying cos 63.4 times 2, guys, you get 89.89 centimeters. From there, we come and now get the value of y. And this is the value of y is to replace for this. So that one is now going to be sine 63.4 is equal to opposite, which is y, all over hypotenuse, which is 2. Guys, for y, you are going to have y equals 2. If you multiply that, you have 1.789. And so guys, now we've been able to establish two values, that is of x and y. The next thing, guys, we are going to find is this length. And guys, we can go up to this point, that is the half circle, up to that point. And then we shall take away this length. First, we establish the half circle circumference, that is the circumference of the semicircle, from this point to this point. And that's what, guys, I am going to do. So, guys, we have the circumference of the circle, whole circle is pi d, which is given by 3.14 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4, which is the diameter, now divided by 2. That is for the semicircle. Guys, this one comes to 6.28 centimeters. So guys, now we've been able to establish the length from this point up to that point. Guys, now we are going to establish this small length here, which we are now going to take out from this, the whole of that length. And for us to do that, guys, we go back here and say for pi d, the circumference of the whole circle is 3.14 multiplied by 4. Guys, this gives us 12.56 centimeters. For 12.56, guys, this is for the whole rotation. Guys, if we were to rotate from the whole of the circumference, which takes which takes 360 degrees. That is, if you go round, that will be 360 degrees. And so guys, we put here 360 degrees. Guys, now we are dealing with this. If we were to draw that, guys, it would be something like this. You'd have something like this. And this is supposed to be 26.57 degrees. And so guys, we can get for that, that is from this now distance we are looking for, the length. For 360, going loud, that is 12.56. What about 26.57 degrees? So guys, that's what we do. 26.757. Here we have a point right here, degrees. So we cross multiply. So when we do that, we get 12.56 times 26.57 and divide that by 360. Guys, that comes to 0.927. So guys, that's what we are going to take off from 12.56. And so therefore guys, let's now go to establishing the perimeter. So guys, for the perimeter now, this is what we have. And so therefore guys, now we have our perimeter, our circle here, which is all the shaded part. And so guys, we shall have, here we shall have 2, which is the radius, plus we can add 0.89 plus 1.789 plus the whole of this from this point up to that is 6.28. Then we subtract 0.927, which will present this portion, so that we are left with from here to this point. So that is 6.28 minus 0.927. And so therefore guys, our solution then is, if you add that, this gives us 10.032 centimeters. So guys, thank you for listening to me. Bye.